Technology can help in building the nation, and we are already seeing the example of that in our country. Technology as such can be said is all about data, but here collection of all the data, processing of all the data, and similarly presenting all the data can play a crucial role in all communities. For example, many times earlier policies were decided based on the sample set of data. Now data for each individual can be collected and appropriate policy can be formed. No one size fit all. Similarly, it can help the small businessman. They can join and convert their business to online business which can be sold across the nation, and buyers can give rating as well as feedback for those sellers, and that will help in those new sellers getting discovered by other buyers. And yeah, data can also help in tackling the corruption. In some countries, what happens that in a lottery system, data of various government system, which is audited data, get presented on TV and internet. Transparency brings accountability, and that itself can help in tackling the corruption. This and much more in my article on my website. Thank you.